Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the chat not working issue on chess.com. So let us guide you through it. So let's assume you're inside or you're in a chess party with a friend of yours, but you don't see any chat, for example, and you can't exchange any messages with him or her. It might be due to your account settings in this case, guys. So let me show you how to fix this. Navigate to your account settings on chess.com, click into all settings, and here you will need to access the social tab here to the left. And here inside your chat and messaging settings, make sure that direct messages as well as game chat are enabled. If you accidentally turn it off, turn it back on, and also set the right permissions. So if you, for example, set that nobody can send you direct messages, you won't be receiving any of these. So select either everyone or only friends. And do the same for in-game chat. So select either everyone, request only, or friends only. Just make sure that game chat is enabled. I would leave it at friends only here and only friends there. And that's basically it. You don't need to you don't need to save anything manually. Simply switch it on here to the right. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.